Does dim digon o oriau dysgu yn y dydd I rai pobl. Lembit a Colin sydd wedi manteisio ar y cyfle I gael gwersi ychwanegol gan Iwan.
I'm absolutely loving this course. I really feel I've got into the swing of learning. I'm frustrated. You know, if I was 20, I'd be learning much faster, but I don't think even you can do anything about that. Generally, I've got two issues. One I have to solve, which is the vocabulary. And I've got to study it the old-fashioned way. That's right, isn't it? I mean, you just have to pick up the...
Well, you could do it that way, or you could just actually increase the volume of your input by reading.
I've been spending half my time involved with you, and half my time back, and just trying to let it soak in and gradually to let what I'd learnt before gyda cwrs o'r pan. You've opened up that can start coming through and join in with what you're teaching me.
There is a danger though that after this course I'll go around and every time I see someone in danger I'll go byddwch yn ofalus Alice.
Yeah, well,
whoever it is. Byddwch yn ofalus Alice.
Yeah, you will. So you'll have to make friends just with people called Alice from now on. Yes,
That's
yes.
right.
When you start learning a language, many people latch on to one way of using the past tense and will overuse it, and that's fine. So you can say dwi wedi mynd, dwi wedi siopa, dwi wedi prynu, dwi wedi gweld, dwi wedi darllen, which actually means I have gone, I have read, I have, Es I i'r chwith, es I i'r
Es I canol.
Es I syth ymlaen, syth ymlaen.
I was a bit disappointed in myself that when I'd learnt Welsh before, I stopped and let it completely go.
It is a messy process. Learning a language, any language, is a messy process. It's like tarring a road, but there are still holes in it. You have to go back and tar it again, you know, just fill in the gaps and so on. But the main thing is to keep the road going.
People come up to me and ask me how I am, ask me about the weather or in Welsh. You know, we're in Wales, for goodness sake, Colin. Come on, join in. All together. So,
Good and gilydd.
Good and gilydd.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Dim problem.
Iawn.